it's me Ashley and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Luna is joining me and we are unboxing this month's Glossy box. So yes, we are unboxing April's Glossy box. I cannot remember the sneak peek for this. Oh yes, I think it was an eyeshadow palette. I haven't seen it. I tend to avoid... Get a puppy, they said. It'll be fun, they said. Can you like not can you choose a non-noisy end? It's an eyeshadow palette in here. Haven't seen it. I tend to avoid any spoilers so that I can just give you my honest opinions unboxing it as I unbox it with you. I just tend to find I like to be honest and keep it that way, kind of give you my first initial shock reactions to things. Sometimes I can be a little bit, oh my god, I hate it, and then thinking back it's like, actually it's not so bad. Anyway, Glossy Box is a monthly subscription box. Get a lot of makeup, skincare, hair care, different beauty products in there. We get like 5 items per month. It tends to be more makeup heavy than my Look Fantastic box. Glossy Box you can subscribe for 1 month at a time and it will cost you £13.25. Or if you want to subscribe for just a month at a time, it will cost you for 12 months, it will cost you £11.75. I subscribe for 12 months. Anyway, without further ado, let's get this box open. Okay, so inside we have our standard Glossy box. We do sometimes get special editions which have a fancier pattern, but this is the standard Glossy box. Oh, inside so there's some leaflets from their partners, and then here's our Glossy box. So inside we'll open it up and there should be a little leaflet that will tell us all about the box, which this month's theme is Wake Up in Spring. Make bold decisions, it says. And then inside we have our products nicely packaged behind a little bow and behind some tissue paper. Okay, so to give you a quick little sneak peek of the products, that's what we get this month. But what I will do now is I will go through them one by one as they appear in the booklet. Luna's now making a racket, destroying the box. So the write-up on this month's box says, "Hey Glossies, at Glossy HQ we're absolutely loving spring. It almost feels like the promise of good things to come. So we're taking the beautiful blue skies and the bright blooming flowers of April and packaging up the wonderfully warm feeling that they give us in this month's Wake Up in Spring box." I apologise for the background noise in this video. We've got the dog. Chris is actually jet washing outside, which I thought wasn't as noisy as it was when I started, so I do apologise if there's background noise. So without further ado then, our first product of this month is this. It is from -417, 417. I've never heard of that brand. Never heard of it. And this that we get is some Serenity Legend, and it is a hydrating Dead Sea bath salt. You know me, I love a good bath, so excellent. This is this is a mini, a deluxe mini, and it is worth £2.17. So not the priciest of items to start with. But the little write-up on this says, enriched with unique healing minerals, these hydrating Dead Sea bath salts are all you need for the perfectly pampering bath. Providing the ultimate spa experience, after just one use, your skin will be left feeling refreshed, soft and smooth. These salts also help enhance your skin's ability to retain moisture and assist in the renewal of skin cells, which minimises the inevitable signs of aging. So they actually sound very, very lovely. So does it say how much you're supposed to use within a bath? Because I'd probably just take the whole blinking thing in. Oh, hi Luna. It says to add 2 full spoons to the bath. Not entirely sure what size spoons, but that means there's a good few baths in there then. Excuse me, get out of my Glossy box. Okay, so the next thing that we get in this month's box is from Sofia and Mabel, and it is a eyeshadow palette. It's a lot smaller than I was expecting. When they said last month an eyeshadow palette, I thought it was going to be a decent sized palette, but you know, nice little travel size one. The packaging is beautiful. I really like the box. So this is worth £25 though, apparently. £25. Before I get it out and read the writing, let's have a little look at the palette. So it's in like a neon-esque peachy colour. And then inside then the colours we get, we look like we get 2 shimmers and 2 mattes. We have a pink and a brown as a matte, and then we've got a shimmery pink and a shimmery darker pink. So the write-up on this says, who doesn't love a gorgeous eyeshadow palette? Who indeed? This beautiful palette is perfect for everyday wear with 4 universally flattering shades. Featuring a mix of both matte and satin shimmer tones, this palette will enhance your eye makeup and give you a natural, effortless finish. So very, very nice. I've not tried anything from this brand, so I can't speak to how good the shadows will be. I can maybe do a try Tuesday on it if you're interested. But they look like decent shades. No, I can definitely use those. And like I said, it's a little travel size. I would no, it's probably quite good. I was going to say, it seems to be lacking kind of like a nude tan shade that I would use, but I could use a bronzer, so it could be a nice little travel sized one. Luna! The packaging that Glossy box came in, it's ruined. The next item on this list is from Feel Free, another brand I've never heard of. And it is an antioxidant eye contour cream. Glossy box have given us a lot of eye products recently. Well, I say recently, in the last 6 months. Okay, so what is this then? It's worth £4.77. It's full size. It says hydrating under eyes. Hydrating the under eyes, whilst also eliminating small lines around the eyes. This antioxidant eye contour cream is a dream. See what they did there? A combination of hardworking skincare ingredients, including hyaluronic acid, aloe vera, lemon, mint, and more. Also help balance skin tone and brighten your delicate under eye area. I know I've complained before that Glossy box give us a good few eye products, but I do appreciate eye products. You know, it's long tiring days, especially when you've got a puppy. And you know, it's important to take care of our skin. The eye area is very delicate, so it's nice to have products for that. I haven't heard of the brand though. It's not an expensive one, so I don't know how good it'll be, but I'll definitely give it a try. The next item then is from downtown Paris. Again, I've not heard of this brand. And it is, it's a blush. Okay, so this is a liquid blusher. It's worth £19.58 apparently. I tend to prefer a powder blush, I'll be honest. I just kind of find liquid blush a little hard to work with, but I'm willing to give anything a try. I have had one before, I can't remember who it was from, and it was in a subscription box, so I actually quite enjoyed. When I did like my lighter, more natural makeup days, you know that no makeup, I found it worked really well. I don't know how dark this will be or anything, but it might be nice. Let's do the little read up. So it says, formulated with 99% natural and totally vegan ingredients, the Downtown Paris blush is the ideal product to enhance your cheeks. It's perfect for bringing a glowy touch to casual makeup or a sophisticated touch to your evening look. Simply take a small amount of the blush and pat along your cheekbones with your fingertips. So no, I'll definitely give it a try. It's something that I should probably open my mind to. I imagine it's more of a kind of glowy look instead of using a powder. So it's probably perfect for like summer coming and things. On to our last product then. We have an item from Skin & Co. Roma. Another brand I've not heard of. Okay, so this is their Truffle Therapy Morning Dew. This is a deluxe mini apparently, and it's worth £1.98. So not expensive by any means at all. So what is it then? I genuinely actually don't know what it is. So it says, cleanse, uplift and brighten your complexion. Packed with superhero ingredients, this gentle cleanser, okay, it's a cleanser, will soon be an essential step in your skincare routine. Black winter truffle extract fortifies the skin with powerful antioxidant enzymes, while the traditional Umbrian botanicals refresh skin and dissolve impurities. Papaya extract also brightens and minimizes the appearance of blemishes, while improving the appearance of skin texture and tone. So it's cleanser. It wasn't immediately obvious, to be fair, but yeah, I do see it now in the smaller writing. It says face cleansing gel. So a cleanser, always useful to have. It's a decent travel size if anybody's traveling these days. The world's starting to open up a little bit more. So yeah. Okay, so so that is all of the items in this month's box. Just to give you a little rundown, we had the Dead Sea bath salts. We got the eyeshadow quad, we've got some eye contour cream, a liquid blush, and a cleanser. First impressions of the box, disappointed, to be honest. It's not marvellous. I haven't heard of a single one of these brands. I have not heard of a single one of them, which immediately makes me think, but I do like Glossy Box for trying, it's subscription boxes in general. I do like them for trying new brands because it is the best way to try new brands that you might not have heard of otherwise. I have discovered some fantastic ones. A great example of that is Avant. I really, really genuinely love every product I've had from them, and I've only got them from subscription boxes. They are pricey, but I would never have heard of them or used them, I don't think, if it hadn't have been for Glossy Box, and look fantastic. So to that end, some of these might turn out to be brilliant, but first impressions count. Yeah, the fact I don't know any of these brands. And we've got a few cheapies in here as well. I think nothing was particularly expensive. The bath salts were dead cheap. The eye cream's very cheap. The cleanser was very cheap. This is supposedly, what was it, like £25? But I don't think I would ever pay £25 for a little 4-1 unless it was just magic. And the liquid blush, again pricey, but I don't know anything about the brand. I can see from holding it up that it's only like filled to about there with product. So yeah, not blown away. It's nice. I can probably use everything in the box, which is always a plus, so that's a good thing. Bath salts, love baths. Eyeshadow palettes, I'm not in need of an eyeshadow palette, let's be honest. I have a lot, but they are decent colours. I can use them and they're travelable. Eye stuff, again, I can use it. Cleanser, I use cleanser every day, morning and night. And then liquid blush isn't something I could use, but it's something I can experiment with. So disappointing, but it's an okay box. I can use everything in it. I know, I don't like to moan. I have contemplated stopping my Glossy Box subscription a couple of times, but I do enjoy it. And like I say, I have found some good products, so stop moaning. Yeah, I probably really will enjoy these. Negative Nelly, get off your negative pants. Okay, so before I leave you, I'm going to give you the sneak peek of next month's box. So if you don't want to be spoiled, look away now because I am about to spoil it. Okay, so May's sneak peek. May, where is that time going? So May's sneak peek is, it's Rhode Isle's Dragon Blood Eye Mask. It says we have, if we have anything to do with it, May is going to be bright and sunny. So we're taking this warm feeling and encapsulating it in our May Let the Sun Shine Glossy Box. And it starts with the instantly brighter eyes thanks to this Rhode Isle's Dragon Blood Eye Mask. Okay, I love a good eye mask, that's fine. I've had some products from Rhode Isle before and I've liked them. So it's a good start, I suppose. Yeah, no, I'm not going to moan too much because I can use everything in this Glossy Box. Sorry if I sound very meh. But let me know what you guys think. Drop me a comment. What do you think of this box? If you're a subscriber, are you happy? If you're not a subscriber, does this make you want to subscribe? Does it make you want to look elsewhere for a subscription box? Drop me a comment, let me know what you think. Genuinely would love to know. Have you heard of any of these brands before? Have you tried any of them? Let me know that too, because like I say, I haven't. So if you know anything about them, drop me a comment, let me know. And if you enjoyed this video, then please do me a favour, guys, and hit that like button and give me a huge thumbs up. That would be fantastic. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. That would be amazing. It would be great to have you around. I have almost hit 900 subscribers and I'm thinking of doing a giveaway when I do hit that 900 because I meant to do one when I hit 750, but it was last year amidst COVID and I thought nobody's going to want stuff getting sent to them through the post from a stranger. Not that I'm a stranger. We know each other, don't we, guys? Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Take care and I will see you again soon. Bye-bye.